Hey guys, it's me, Agent Goku here, and I'm here with
My Ninja 11.
and we're gonna be doing this little thing called where we're
We'll get the battleship.
yeah, we're gonna have like a battleship sort of thing, and we have like cannons all ready and loaded up, and we're just gonna fight each other, and near the end, we're gonna just.
I'm already shooting at you. Oh, don't shoot me. Time. Okay, we haven't even started yet.
Alright, and so, yeah, we're gonna be shooting off, and if you have like no cannons remaining, you can just board them and then kill them. So, yeah, last player remaining wins. So, starting in...
Accidentally fired.
Really, dude?
Sorry. It was an accident. Okay.
Alright, go back to your ship and go in survival. Yeah, it's only survival because then you won't die, and then there's like no point in death.
Yeah,
so.
And our ships took forever to build, or at least mine.
Yeah, mine was just like a simple mine's like a host spout.
Mine doesn't even have sails or anything.
Alright,
but still.
Alright, starting in 3, 2.
Wait, survival mode. I need to go survival.
Starting in.
Let me get my.
Starting in 3, 2, 1.
No, I need to go under deck. I need to prepare for impact. Ready, set, fire.
Alright, now the upper ones. Now the lower ones.
Fire mode.
Oh dear. Okay.
I actually got rapid fire mode set up with redstone. Oh my god, my door's on fire.
Yeah, burn.
Ah, crap.
Burn.
It still works.
Oh god. Okay. My whole house is built. My whole boat is burning.
Ah. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Yeah. Burn, foolish fool. Yeah, I won.
Wait, no, it doesn't count because I died from fire. My ship has to die. Wait, I need TPT. Because we're in the middle of the
Wow. Okay. Oh god, I'm gonna burn.
Where's my ship? Oh my god, my ship has burned to... Okay, no it hasn't. Okay, let me get in my ship. Oh my god, my whole ship's annihilated.
Yeah, I think we're gonna just start a new one.
You know what? We should actually do something new because I got a really good idea. Oh, come on! I can't get in my stinking ship. I can't get on my own ship. Ah, crap!
Alright.
Fire!
Wait, can you even fire still?
Yes, I can.
Oh, yeah, I still can. I'm gonna burn to death.
I'm actually gonna burn to death too. Water! Oh my god, I have 2 hearts.
Yeah. Wait, am I still shooting?
I don't know. I'm shooting at you. That's all I know.
Bam. Only one cannon works. Only one
of my cannons works.
Shoot, baby, shoot.
Oh wait, no, more than one works. I just can't get to them. Ah, crap. Okay, this one's burning to a crisp, but I need to get to my other ones. Oh my god, parkour. And I need to use the blocks that I have on me. Oh, I see you. Dude, I have cannons still. I still have cannons.
You ain't seen me.
I see you, dude.
Oh, dude, my mouse isn't working. Oh, god, dear.
Too bad. You died.
My mouse wasn't working.
You have been dominated, like I said, like a half hour ago when we were building. Where are you? Oh my god!
Underwater battle.
You did this with enchanted armor earlier, like yesterday.
True. Oh, guys, I should have posted that up.
God. Wait, no, sword battle. This is not fair. Dude, stop, you keep knocking me back, it's not fair.
I don't care. Yeah! Yeah, buddy.
Okay,
Alright, that was an intense battle.
Yes, let's play a different minigame. I got really good. Oh my god, my armor's almost dead.
Oh yeah, same here.
Oh my god, some random calls are like ending.
I know, yeah, same here.
Other than this one.
Alright. Thank you, dudes, all for watching. I'm just gonna nom
No,
nom.
wait, we should continue
I'm
this.
gonna nom nom on
This
this
was
apple.
short.
I'm gonna nom nom on that apple, and I got arrows sticking right through my arm. But oh no, oh wait, oh yeah, it's gone. Arrow's gone. All right, I'll show you dudes all later, and goodbye.